Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey there, Voyagers, and welcome to Lake Atitlán. Tucked away in the Guatemalan highlands, Lake Atitlán is like a postcard come to life. It's surrounded by three towering volcanoes, Toliman, Atitlán, and San Pedro, and the lake's crystal clear waters reflect the dramatic scenery like a mirror. The lake is a natural wonder, formed in a volcanic crater over 85,000 years ago. It's the deepest lake in Central America, plunging to depths of up to 340 meters. That's like stacking two statues of liberty on top of each other. Local Mayan communities call the lake Lago de Atitlán. It's been the heart of their culture for centuries. The villages that dot the lake's edge are like colorful beads on a necklace, each with its own unique charm. Panajachel is the big kahuna of the lakeside villages. It's got a bustling market where you can snag handmade crafts and souvenirs. From there, you can hop on a boat to explore the other towns. Santiago Atitlán, for instance, is known for its mystical blend of Catholicism and traditional Mayan beliefs. You'll find Maximan, a cigar-smoking deity there who's a bit of a local legend. San Pedro La Laguna is the spot if you're looking for a laid-back backpacker vibe. The town is nestled beneath the towering San Pedro volcano, and you can hike up for some epic views of the lake. Trust me, it's worth the sweat. San Marcos La Laguna is like the yoga capital of the lake. It's got a real zen atmosphere, perfect for finding your inner peace. And then there's Santa Cruz La Laguna, which is like the hidden gem. It's less touristy, so you get a more authentic feel of local life. Now, let's talk about the activities. The lake is a playground for nature lovers. You can kayak across the still waters or go for a swim if you're feeling brave. It's a bit on the chilly side. If you're into diving, there's some impressive underwater scenery to explore. And of course, fishing is a big deal here. Locals have been casting their nets for generations. But it's not all about water sports. The surrounding hills are a hiker's dream. The Indian Nose hike is a must-do, taking you up for a breathtaking sunrise view over the lake and the volcanoes. It's a bit of a climb, but totally worth it. Now, let's dive deeper into the captivating vibe of Lake Atitlán. This enchanting destination possesses an irresistible allure for artists and free spirits alike. Throughout the lakeside villages, you'll stumble upon an array of galleries and workshops, each a testament to the rich tapestry of local talent. These creative spaces resonate with the soul of the region, providing a platform for painters, sculptors, and artisans to weave their magic. Yet it's not just the man-made creations that steal the spotlight. The natural landscape, with its rugged contours and serene waters, serves as an ever-changing canvas. It whispers inspiration to poets, inviting them to pen verses that mirror its wild beauty. Painters stand in awe before its grandeur, each stroke of their brush an attempt to capture the ineffable. Dreamers find solace in the gentle lapping of the lake, their imaginations taking flight on the wings of the breeze. In this haven of creativity, the boundaries between art and life blur into a seamless dance. Every sunset seems to be a masterpiece in the making, as if the universe itself were adding its brushstrokes to the tableau. It's a place where artistic expression is not confined to canvases, but it is woven into the very fabric of existence, breathing life into every corner of Lake Atitlán. Foodies won't be disappointed either. The local cuisine is a feast for the taste buds. You've got everything from hearty stews to fresh fish caught straight from the lake. Don't forget to try out the kak-ik, a spicy turkey soup that's a local specialty. And the coffee. Oh, the coffee. Guatemala is known for producing some of the best beans in the world, and you'll find some top-notch brews around the lake. Lake Atitlán cradles a coffee-growing heritage as rich and diverse as the lush landscape itself. The volcanic soils and temperate climate create an environment that's nothing short of ideal for cultivating some of the world's most sought-after coffee beans. Here, the coffee journey begins with the dedication of local farmers who have honed their craft over generations, resulting in a product that's a true testament to their expertise and love for their land. One of the standout varieties that flourish along the shores of Lake Atitlán is the bourbon coffee bean. Renowned for its exceptional quality, bourbon beans are characterized by their distinct flavor profile, a harmonious balance of bright acidity and full-bodied richness. This cultivar thrives in the high altitudes surrounding the lake, where the cool nights and consistent rainfall create the perfect conditions for slow, even maturation. The result is a cup of coffee that exudes notes of caramel, chocolate, and a subtle hint of floral undertones, a true delight for connoisseurs and casual coffee enthusiasts alike. Another gem in the coffee treasure trove of Lake Atitlán is the Typica variety. Known for its versatility and adaptability, Typica beans are celebrated for their consistent, well-rounded flavor. The microclimates around the lake offer Typica beans a canvas on which to paint a diverse palette of taste notes. From the fruity and wine-like overtones to the comforting, nutty undertones, each sip is a journey through a spectrum of flavors. This variety is a testament to the dynamic range of profiles that Lake Atitlán's terroir imparts on its coffee, making each cup a unique experience. The Caturra coffee bean is yet another star in the constellation of Lake Atitlán's coffee offerings. This mutation of the bourbon variety is celebrated for its compact size, which allows for denser plantings and easier harvesting. The Caturra's beans are small but mighty, packing an intense flavor punch. The microclimates surrounding Lake Atitlán imbue these beans with a vibrant acidity and a full-bodied, almost creamy texture. This combination creates a coffee that's both lively and comforting, making it a beloved choice for those seeking a lively yet balanced cup. Beyond these specific varieties, what sets Lake Atitlán's coffee apart is the meticulous care and traditional processing methods employed by local farmers. The beans are typically hand-picked, ensuring that only the ripest cherries make it into the final product. They're then sun-dried, allowing the flavors to develop and intensify naturally. This patient approach, passed down through generations, is a testament to the deep respect and understanding these farmers have for their craft and the land that sustains them. Pair all these with a lakeside view, and you're in caffeine heaven. When the sun dips below the volcanoes, the lake turns into a canvas of colors. The fiery oranges, deep purples, and soft pinks reflect off the water, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. It's the kind of view that etches itself into your memory forever. So whether you're a nature lover, a culture buff, or just in need of some serious relaxation, Lake Atitlán has got you covered. It's a place where time slows down and every moment feels like a gift. Trust me, once you've experienced the magic of this place, it'll stay with you forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.